This week we are shining the spotlight on the luxury market in New York and beyond, so it's only fitting that today I am coming to you from this beautifully renovated loft in Tribeca, undoubtedly one of the most luxurious neighborhoods in New York. But instead of having me tell you about it, let's join agent Frances Katzen for a closer look. Frances, what do you have to show me today?
Hi Sarah, it's pretty special.
Yeah, it is.
140 Franklin, Penthouse C. 4,000 square feet, understated, elegant, classic. Massive outdoor, duplex, you gotta check it out.
I mean, everyone wants outdoor space right now, right?
Yeah.
And I love that we're calling this understated, but you know,
Let's go take a
look.
This building was built in 1887. The architect was Albert Wagner, and now it's this 4-bedroom, sprawling 4.5 bathroom.
Oh my gosh, if you're gonna be living in New York, you want sprawling in the title, right?
Completely.
And just coming around the corner, I can see the light that's coming through here.
It really is. Oh, surprise and reveal.
Oh my goodness, look at all this light in this space in this room.
This is where it's all happening and what it's all about. These skylights really set it apart. And you have 3 setups here without any issue, right? But what's beautiful is that you have a real wood-burning fireplace right here where you can actually sit and hang. And then you have another sitting area if you just want to collect and play a game. And then you have dining, which is really convenient off this area here.
And all of that is connected to the kitchen, which is what I love in a house because I'm always in the kitchen, I'm always cooking, and so I like to be able to mingle with my guests while you're entertaining. So let's go see what the kitchen has to offer.
Let's do it.
Oh, I love these columns. These must be original.
They are actually from 1887. They really do set the stage, don't they?
They do. That's the history that you're missing in these newer buildings.
Yeah, the story it tells.
Okay, so let's talk about this kitchen. I love a big stove.
Great range. You have waxed oak cabinets. You have beautiful poured concrete, 150 bottle wine refrigeration. These curated custom cabinets, which I love.
It's not cookie cutter in any way.
It is not, and I think that's what makes it so unique. One of a kind is really a special thing.
I think when you live in a city like New York, you're looking for a place like this that has a lot of space that you can create your own sanctuary and kind of get away from it all, right?
No question. I think in such an intense town, people really want a place to just decompress. And what a better place to do it than with a wood-burning fireplace and a fantastic couch to lounge on.
This couch is very inviting. We must try. Ready? That's a great couch. These are amazing stairs.
I know, right? Sculpture, really.
They're so cool. It's like a kind of an art installation that's functional. I love this.
Isn't this great?
Wow. Okay, so this is amazing.
Yep, this is pretty much what sets it apart, in my opinion. And you have this really great angled skylight that services light to downstairs and creates a great backdrop and the drama of this space here. And then, of course, there's this outdoor that wraps around.
I mean, this feels like a hotel out here, but this is where I would live. Right here has everything you need, even has a gym right there too. Please. Wow! Yeah, I love this.
It's great, right?
Yeah.
So you have privacy, but you also have open. And then you have a sitting area, grill, and dining. And you can't forget the swing.
You gotta have a swing.
Gotta have the swing.
Yeah, but this is where my heart lies. Right here in this section here, the eating dining station.
Totally. Every day of the week, I'd be here. And then the backdrop is really great to have south-facing exposure that gives you a little bit of history. And then also some of the more ground-up new construction. So it's just a really special space amongst it all.
It really is. Everything you need is right here. I love it. Frances, thank you so much for the tour today. I enjoyed every minute of it.
It was such a pleasure showing you around today. Thank you for coming.
Yeah, well, I'm not really ready to go yet. Can I stick around?
My listing is now your listing, Sarah. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?